Hey everyone, Mike with Handcrafted Travels here. I've been out sick for about a month, it seems like. About as sick as I can ever remember being. But I have the disassembly and the deburring of the vertical fin ready to go. And so I'm posting that today. And I am going to try to get the rest of these out as quick as I can, as soon as I fully recover. And I'm a little behind on the build because of my flu I had, but gonna be catching up here soon. On this one, on the vertical fin, Tanner did some helping with me, but I don't believe it's in this video. I think it's the assembly part, reassembly, the final assembly. But I'll post that next as soon as I can get everything up on that. Hope you guys enjoy. See ya.